Welcome children. Today I am taking class differentiation topic derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. Video lecture 2 class 12 mathematics. Some formulas for the differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Now first dy dx of sine inverse x, this is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Second, dy dx of cos inverse x, this is equal to minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Third formula, dy dx of tan inverse x, this is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Fourth formula, dy dx of cot inverse x, this is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Formula number 5, dy dx of sec inverse x, this is equal to 1 upon x root x square minus 1. Formula number 6, dy dx of cosec inverse x, this is equal to minus 1 upon mod x root x square minus 1. Here x is less than 1 or here x is greater than 1. On the basis of these formulas, you can solve some questions. Question number 1. Question number 1. dy dx of sine inverse 3x. Now dy dx of sine inverse 3x and dy dx of 3x. dy dx of sine inverse x, 1 upon root 1 minus x square, and dy dx of 3x is 3. Now the answer is 3 upon root 1 minus 9x square. Question number 2. dy dx of cos inverse x by 2 and dy dx of cos inverse x by 2 and dy dx of x by 2. dy dx of cos inverse x by 2, this is 1 upon minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square, and dy dx of x by 2, this is 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x square by 4. Question number 3. dy dx of cos inverse x upon 1 plus x, cos inverse x upon 1 plus x, and dy dx of cos inverse x upon 1 plus x and dy dx of x upon 1 plus x. dy dx of this cos inverse x, this is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square 1 plus x का whole square, and dy dx of u upon v यानी v, dy dx of u minus u, dy dx of v upon v square. Now dy dx of this, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करिए, रूट 1 प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर इंटू 1 plus x, this is 1 and minus x, this is 0 and this is 1 upon 1 plus x का whole square. Now स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर इस वैल्यू को लाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 1 प्लस एक्स अपॉन रूट 1 प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इनटू ओपन करिए इसको 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर. नाउ दिस इज कैंसिल फ्रॉम दिस माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट ऑफ दिस यानी 1 प्लस एक्स and root 1 plus x square plus 2x minus x square. This is cancelled from this. Now finally answer is this 1 upon 1 plus x and root of 1 plus 2x. This is the answer. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Sin inverse x whole square dy dx of sin inverse x का whole square. Now dy dx of sin inverse x का whole square and dy dx of sin inverse x. Now this is x की power n, this is n, x की power n minus 1. And dy dx of sin inverse x, this is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. 2 sin inverse x upon root 1 minus x square. Question number 5. dy dx of cos inverse sin x, dy dx of cos inverse sin x. Now finally it can be reduced in cos term. dy dx of cos inverse. Now this is cos inverse root 1 minus x square. Yeah, like this to solve. dy dx of cos inverse sin x and dy dx of sin x. Now dy dx of cos inverse x, this is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square sin x का whole square and dy dx of sin x, this is cos x. This is minus cos x upon root 1 minus sin square x minus cos x upon cos x. This is minus 1. Question number 6. Question number 6. X cos inverse x if y is equal to sin into 2 sin inverse x, sin into 2 sin inverse x. Prove that so that dy by dx, dy upon dx, this is equal to 2 root 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. Now solve this. If condition is given, now prove. Solution of the given equation: y is equal to sin into 2 sin inverse x. Now y is equal to dy dx of sin into 2 sin inverse x and dy dx of 2 sin inverse x. Now y is equal to dy dx of dy dx यानी dy upon dx with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. Now dy by dx is equal to dy dx of this function and dy dx of further this function. Now dy upon dx, this is equal to cos into 2 sin inverse x, and dy dx of sin inverse x 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Cos theta, this is root 1 minus sin square to sin inverse x, and this is 2 upon root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus y square into 2 upon root 1 minus x square, and in 2 root 1 minus y square upon root 1 minus x square, and it divided by. Okay students, now इन्वर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस के हमने जितने क्वेश्चंस बताए हैं, इसके आगे आपको हमने वर्कशीट जो भेजेंगे उसमें आप वर्कशीट में इसके क्वेश्चंस को देखिए और एक्सरसाइज को लगाइए, और इसके आगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स में हम इसके आगे इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शंस को आपको पढ़ाएंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।